What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. We'll start this series off with showing you guys the campground, and as you can tell by the title of the video, we have a new toy hauler set up that we're gonna show you. So I know it wasn't long ago that we just did a video of our pop-up camper trailer setup. About a week after that video come out, we decided to make a change, and we decided to go to this enclosed trailer, turn it into a toy hauler. So we just got it. Today is Thursday evening. I want to say it's September 2nd. We're down here for Labor Day weekend at the Riverfront ATV resort. I'll show you around that place here pretty soon. It's really nice. But so it's Thursday. We just bought this Saturday, so not even a week ago. Went to Virginia and bought it. Took it home, started working on it, went out Saturday night, bought a bunch of stuff for it, pulled it next to my garage Sunday, and just started tearing into it to get it done. So it's 28 foot plus a 1.5 foot V-nose, so it's 29.5 feet inside. Two 5,200-pound axles. It's 6'6" tall, semi-screwless, 8.5 feet wide. I'll show you up here. It's a really nice enclosed trailer. So I'll show you what we did to the inside. So up front, we put a wall across, and we did the kitchen on this side. So as soon as you come in, you got the 4-burner stove, you got the sink. Enough room for the microwave, the stove. So as I was telling you, we only had pretty much Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday, and we got flooded on Wednesday, so we had to shut down everything. We had a good 3 days to work on it. It's still not done. We still have a few things that we need to do, but we wanted it done enough to be able to come here this weekend. So as I'm showing you some stuff, if you see some stuff that's not finished, that's why. But we tore off the walls, fully insulated the walls. It's 1-inch rigid insulation all the way around. We want to do like a metal bottom, panel top. We didn't have enough time, so for now we just painted the walls till we get some free time. See, on the floor we did linoleum all the way back. Did a metal roof with 4 LED lights. Metal roof really makes it nice and bright in here. We're gonna do Murphy beds. We didn't get to it yet, so for now we just threw the mattresses on the floor. We'll have them over here. We'll flip down, that way when we pull in we can still get out of the machine over here on the side, have enough room. And then over here we have our shower. It's a 32 by 32 shower, and you see here we need to put a piece of trim board here, just like down there we have a stained trim board all the way around. So that was one thing that we didn't have in our pop-up setup, was the machines were outside in the weather. We didn't have a shower, and it wasn't full hookup. So with this one, we have a full hookup, we have the shower, so we don't have to rely on bathhouses or anything like that. So that'll make it nice. And the machines are in out of the weather. I can store them in here. We can open up the garage for some more space.
Looks like those are the dog's beds.
These are not the dog's beds. These are our kids' beds. Emma's, Cooper's. And the other reason that we wanted to do this was that the pop-up was not big for both of our dogs. Ace, my dog, Joy, Sherry's dog, They're both mini Australian Shepherds, great dogs. But we always had to find a dog sitter, so it's really awesome that we can bring the whole family, bring our dogs with us. They have a big enough space to be comfortable. This is our electric heater that we have. It's enough. Says it'll do 600 square feet. This place is only 28 by 8, so it should be plenty. And then we have our spare tires on there because the spare tires won't reach. They're too high, so they're sitting there for now. We're not sure what we're gonna do with them. Either carry them in here and bolt them on, or Ace, you munching? You hungry, Pop? Huh? Enjoy. And we have a portable air conditioner that we're gonna cut a hole in the wall or the floor for the vent. Didn't get there yet. It's supposed to be decent this weekend, so I think we'll be fine. But that is our new toy hauler setup for now. I don't know that we can go to anything else that'll fit 2 machines and a living space, so this should be the last one. I say that now, but we've had 3 in the last year. So what do you think, Sherry?
I like it.
I like it. It works. It works great. It's big.
I think AC is starving.
Ace is starving. He had a 6-hour drive. We just got here. It's starting to get dark. We have the whole crew here this weekend. Corey's not here yet. He's on his way. I think Buddy's on his way. We have Aaron and Dave's here. I think Aaron, another buddy of ours, Aaron, Jeff, they're over at the Mud Pit staying. But this is the Riverfront ATV resort. It is really nice. So we booked this place back in, oh man, I want to say January or February. We booked it, and I think they were still in the process of building it. They don't have bathhouses right now. I think it's up here what they're building, but that is to come. But the lady was really nice, and they have these cabins here. There's 2 cabins right here. I'll take you guys in there in a second. But they said that is open for us to be able to use the shower and the bathroom if we want this weekend, which we won't now. We would have needed it had we had the pop-up, but we don't need it now that we have our enclosed. You can see there's a nice river. I don't know what the river's called, but they have their benches down here, really nice patio, playground, basketball. And it's just a short ride up the road to the Trail 10, Hatfield, McCoy, Pocahontas, Trail 10 connector, I think it is. And right up the road from the Trail 10, the Trail 10 is Trail 10 restaurant and a gas station right there. So, pretty convenient. They have ice. I'll walk up in here and show you these 2 while I'm up here. It's a really nice place, and it's real close to the trailhead. Real convenient. They have it set up really nice. Oh, you know what? Dang, I forgot the code. I'll be back here in 1 second. I gotta look at my phone for the code. I know I got it somewhere. Alright, I got it. Let's check it out. Okay. So this is Herring 2. And we also have access to Herring 1, which is right next door. There's a double on the bottom, twin on the top. Looks that has a mini split, nice TV, microwave, mini fridge. It's actually a pretty big mini fridge. Nice little place. The shower in here. There's a light in here. Decent sized shower. It's a nice little cabin. Yeah, I like it. Pretty cool. This is the first time I'm seeing it too. So.
Don't shut it off.
Don't shut it off. Sherry needs it. Okay.
Yeah.
But we'll probably just do this as the first video since it's late. We're gonna get out for a night ride, but obviously you can't really. GoPros hate the dark, so wish I could take you guys on the night ride, but you wouldn't want to watch the video anyway. It's all distorted and you can't see. But tomorrow we'll get up bright and early, start fresh, get the cameras out. Definitely probably gonna go hit the wall again. It's so fun. It's something cool. We'll see what else we got going on. We'll try to get you guys some new content to watch. So we're gonna hang out here, we're gonna get something to eat, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching, everyone.